Hey, I'm coming to you from Prodigy School of the Arts with your lesson recap of Frisbee Flyers by Jane Simser Bastian. Okay, the song is in 3/4 time. That means we're counting 3 beats in every measure. We're going to start with our pinky on C, the lower C, not middle C. This is middle C. We're doing 1 C lower than middle C, all right? And we're going to put our fingers there and make sure our pinky is on C. And with this song, we're going to be skipping up. We need to get our right hand on middle C, thumb on middle C. In this song, we're going to be skipping up C, E, G, right hand thumb C, E, G. We're going to cross over and use our pointer finger, finger number 2, to hit the top note, which is C. Then start going backwards with our pinky and our thumb. Backwards. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Let me just take a moment to adjust this a little bit down. I noticed this is a little high. Okay, that should be a little better. Okay, so I'm going to start again. We're starting on not middle C, but the next octave down from middle C. We're going to put our pinky on middle C. Set all of our fingers in place, and same thing over here, right hand on middle C. This is the position at which we start this song. We're going to play our C, skip 1 finger, E, skip 1 finger, G. Right hand copies, but as soon as I press this thumb down, I'm going to pick up this left hand and start moving that way, because I have to cross over and hit this C right here with this pointer finger. So I'm going to start traveling. As soon as I play my right hand thumb, this hand's going to pop up, and you'll see that right now. C, E, G, pick it up. C, E, G, touch the top, C, backwards, pinky, G, third finger, E, C, G, E, C, E, G. We're doing it again. C, E, G. This time we're going to stop at the top. C, count 2, 3, 1, 2, rest. Let me go over why we counted in that way. Because we learned that when you have 2 notes that are the same note, and they are connected together by a line, a curved line above them, those 2 notes are going to be played 1 time. We're not playing them twice. We're not playing the note twice. So this C at the top, we play it once, but we hold it down for the full value of both notes. The first note is equal to 3 beats. The second note is equal to 2 beats. So for a total of 5 beats, we will be holding this note down. And the last beat is a rest. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1. Oops, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, rest. And in that time of rest, when it says rest, you notice I immediately took my hand off, and I'm moving back down this way because I'm getting ready for the next note in this song. Okay? So let's just review that again, and then we're going to go on to the new part of the song. C, E, G, C, E, G. Touch the C backwards. Now we're going to repeat it again, starting over. Pick it up. Touch the top and count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, rest. Now, where do we go from here? From here, I'm looking at the music. The next note will be a G. Okay, so this is G right here. So instead of me going all the way back to C, I'll be going here to G with my pinky. So I'm going to come backwards. Oh, 2, 3. Remember, I'm coming here. 4, 5, 6. Okay. G is in the group of 3 black keys. And you remember with the 3 black keys, and the first note is F, 3 black keys, and the second white note is G. So that means that if I'm looking up here, then at these 3 black keys, then the second 1, 2 will be, this will also be G. Okay. So remember, my hand was here because I had just finished doing the 2, 3, 1, 2, rest, come back to G. Okay, now I'm at G and I'm going to be skipping up. So as I skip up, I'm going to pick up this hand and move over to the other G. So skipping up. So this hand's just going to follow this hand right here, the right hand is just going to follow the left. G, skip up, G, skip up. Then we go down 1 to F. F, skip up, F, skip up. And then we go down to C, to our original position. C, skip up, C, skip up, touch the top, the G. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Because this time there's no rest and it's just 6 beats. We're going to hold the note for 6 beats. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Pick it up. And so that is everything that we learned. I'm going to just go over the new part. After doing this and counting to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pick it up. We're coming back to G, 3 black keys, and the second note is G. We're going to come back to G. G, skip up, copycat. In this hand, we're going to copy. G, skip up. Now we're going to go down 1. F, skip up, F, skip up. And now we're going down to C, our original position. C, skip up, right hand copy, and cross over and touch the top. Count to 6. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that's everything. So after all is said and done, and you play this song, it should sound like this. Count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, rest. G, G, skip up, F, skip up. And now C, C, skip up, C, skip up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is everything that we have learned so far. I hope you're enjoying learning this song. It's called Frisbee Flyers. And this is just the first page that we've gone over today. That concludes this tutorial, and I want to encourage you to practice every single day so that it starts to get easier and easier for you.